Welcome to Elmawiseclassroom. Classroom. Welcome to the community of the favorite tutor Mode&Median. Alright? And I hope to bring to your knowledge with some fun and interesting facts about Mode&Median. This class is for pupils of stage 5, wherever you are in the world. But I will be concentrating on the Cambridge curriculum program. So if you're following the American curriculum, we may have a slight difference there, okay, in terms of approach, but the content remains the same. Cambridge curriculum goes deeper and helps you to think and reason out problems so you can become ready for the world. So what is mode? Should be able to identify what the mode is and to be able to use it. So mode is the most popular or the most common score in a data set. Okay, it's the most popular or common score in a data set. So if we have a set of shoe sizes, for instance, for example, shoe sizes. My shoe size is 42. What's your shoe size? What's your shoe size? You tell me your shoe size. Okay, you have 37. And the next one, 32. And the next one, 38. And the next one, oh, 38 again. Alright. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shoe sizes. How do we find the mode? Remember, the mode is the most popular or common score in a set of data. So these are shoe sizes. For us to know the mode, we have to find out which of these shoe sizes occurs most frequently. Okay? Can you think about that? Suppose you should have found out. Alright? 42 just one time, 37 just one time, 32 just once, 38 1, 2. So this twice, once, and once. So the most popular shoe size, which is called the mode of the shoe sizes, will be 38 occurs twice. So the mode of this data set for shoe size is 38. Does that make sense? Okay, that's good. Now let's look at median. So this is all that you need to know about mode. Alright, most popular. So just like you have favorite fruits, favorite colors, you can have the most common fruit, or the most common food, or the most common color, or the most common used car in school. That will still give you the mode. Mode is about popularity. Okay? I hope that makes sense. So when you hear the word mode, it's all around you, from cars to colors to fruits to food. What is most common, all right, even amongst pupils, okay, the most common hairstyle, all right, the most common uniform, okay, so you can play around with that. Let's look at median very, very briefly. It's the wrap of this session. So the word median simply means middle, alright? The word median simply means middle. However, there are rules to working with the median. So first, you need to arrange. What do? You arrange the set of data. And then rule number 2, finally, you pick out or circle or find the middle score. Alright, now this is a general principle. Okay, so we have 2 kinds of data sets when we deal with median. 2 kinds of data sets. First one, we have the odd set, alright, and we have the even set. So in each case, you have 2 different ways to go about your median. Alright, so for odd set, what do we mean by odd set? It means the scores are an odd number. For instance, 2 3, 0, 5, and 7, for example. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 5 is odd. Okay, so that's an odd set. Now, how do we find the median of this? Remember the rule again. First, you arrange. What does it mean to arrange? To order these scores from lowest to highest. So we have the smallest score is 0. Next, we have 2. Next, we have 3. And then 5. And finally, 7. We have applied the first rule to arrange. Now, last rule is to circle the middle score. So 2 to the left and 2 to the right, we have our median. Okay? So our median is 3. Hope you caught that, right? Very easy. Remember again, first law is to arrange. Second, you pick the middle for odd set. Now something a little more is an even set, which I want you to pay attention, friends. So in an even set, example of the even set, you can have 0, 8, 4, and 3. Alright? So an even set is that set in which the total number of scores is even. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is even. Is that true? Yes, that's true. Again, we go back to the rule. First, you should arrange. Let's order them together. The list is 0, next 3, next 4, and finally 8. Alright? How do we calculate the median for even set of data? So the median would be the two scores that you have in the middle, then we find their average. So you add those two scores in the middle and find the average. The two scores are 3 and 4, so we have 3 plus 4, and all on 2. Why are we dividing by 2? Because there are two scores in the middle, so that's what you call the average. And 3 plus 4 is, come over here, 7. 7 divided by 2, this is 7 halves. So that gives us 3 for each person, and there will be 1 left over, and we'll divide it by 2. So that gives us 3 and a half. So our median is 3 and a half. So this is how we calculate the median for an even set of data. So I hope you were able to learn about the mode and the median. Back at home, you can calculate the median height, members of your family. You can calculate the median of ages for your siblings. You can calculate the median of your test scores in math, English, science, geography, and history. So make it lively, okay? I'll be waiting to get your comments on how you have applied the knowledge you've received from today's lesson. See you next class. Bye-bye.